Hey everyone, it's Bradley. In today's video, we are checking out the CyberTruck Under seat storage bin. I just got this guy. I'm eager to check it out. Research it, mash it, boil it, ferment it, drink it, analyze it, share it. Home brewing is good. Opening the box, you are greeted with a $250 piece of plastic. This is the front of this that will be visible from inside the cab. This is the outside edge. It does have that kind of cyberish design. The plastic itself is of a moderately decent quality. It does scuff pretty easily, at least from what I've seen from mine as it was shipped to me. But all in all, it fits the aesthetic of the truck. This is the inside. There are these two extra little cubbies. It's got the Cyber text and the Cyber logo there in the center. And you can see the strappies that are used to secure that. We'll get to that in just a moment. The cubbies have these little handholds and they also clip in that little latch on the back corner there. They're both identical and interchangeable. The little handhold is a nice touch if you want to pull it out. It's definitely a welcome addition and they sit in there pretty secure. This is the Velcro strap that you use to strap it in. I will demonstrate the installation in just a moment. This is kind of odd. I was hoping for magnets or something better, but this is what Tesla sends you for $250. It also has these little cleats. If you're going into floor mats to have it sit in the truck and not slide around, my truck's a Foundation with the all-weather floor mat, which is the only way to go. Here's a look at the whole thing. This is as it would be sitting in the truck towards the back of the truck, just to get an idea of its overall size and shape. Now it's time to throw it in the truck. We're going out to my beloved Cybertruck. We're gonna open the door and it goes underneath the seats, so you pull the little triangle shaped lever right here and the seat will just pop up or release and then you can lock it into place and you can see here the area that it goes in. I'm back doing the same exact thing on the passenger side, getting ready to install it. I'll show you right here, kind of this is the humps. This is the bar that it attaches to with the Velcro that runs under the entire seat assembly. Now it's time just to slide it in. This is a super easy installation. Literally slide it into place. No fuss, no muss, super simple. It does fit very well like an OEM part and it looks right at home in the truck as the exact same design aesthetic. It matches all the textures and colors, so that's a big plus. Next, here's the actual install that kind of holds it into place. You just loop this strap around the bar and it has some Velcro and that stops it from sliding forward for the most part. Again, mine is on rubber, so it is still kind of loose, but as you'll see here in a moment, once we get the other side, that it's not that bad. You do just want to make sure you get it not super tight. You just want it not to move around. If it's too tight, it'll actually pick it up a little bit, and that's not desirable. There is some wiggle room. You can see here the seats really hold this guy flush and hold it into place. All in all, do I think this is worth it as a product? $250, it's about $275 shipped. It is a nice storage area, it seals up nice, but this is a lot of money from Tesla. I would have loved to have seen some silicone mats or mats in the bottom or magnets to hold it to the floor or just something a little more clever and unique. Would have been a lot more ideal in my world, or a rubberized text finished that's more textured and doesn't scuff as easily. This is a rugged truck, but again, this is also a pretty expensive pickup truck as it sits. It definitely does do the trick. I'll likely wind up keeping this as storage is good. Just keep in mind when you have this in the truck, you don't have a lot of room for other stuff. You can move the seats. Once again, I've been Bradley. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more Cybertruck content, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will get it out to you as quick as I can make it.